Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8i, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can hold it to quickly go to the settings of it, so you can customize things like video resolution if you want to change it. Additionally, you can also select what kind of sounds will be recorded, and you can choose the frame rate. You can add a front camera to the recording and also show touch gestures. Now once you have set it up the way you want it, go back to the toggle, tap on it, select continue. That is for the first use. You just need to agree and allow access to like different things. And from there, as you'll see, you'll get this pop-up basically telling you the different options right here. And you can select the red circle to start the recording. So there we go, we can start like doing something. We can open up apps from here. And once you're done, you can tap on this overlay right here, select the red square, and this will save the recording to our gallery application. So in here it should show up, there we go. As you can see, it automatically is playing. So there we go, that's the recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.